We got 10 yards. All right, we got 10 cubic yards of mulch getting delivered. You guys excited? Yeah. It's not that much.
It's a whole truck.
It's a small truck, though.
Not big enough. Oh,
Oh yeah, come to daddy.
Oh, sweet Lord. That's like wheelbarrow 7.
All right, pull forward, man. Pull forward.
Nope. Oh, God.
All up in the ground.
Oh, shit.
Look how beautiful it is. What was I saying?
Okay, he's gonna pull forward. There we go. Yeah. Oh yeah. Look at that. Hey, don't wait. Don't take that with you. I need that. There you go. Woo, look at that. All right, so I'm going to show you this property. This is the one that we maintain weekly. It's a golf course home, and we got 10 yards of cubic mulch here. Did a rock job, so we're going to mulch this front bed, this bed here, that bed with the sable palm. I'll walk around and show you that, but I'll show you the walkway here. You guys have already started on it. So this is about 60 linear feet right here. There's the rock pathway that we built. It was 4 ton of brown 1/2-inch river rock and 21 floating pavers on top of that. And yes, I see it's crooked in the middle, but we did that because we went around some surface roots that we didn't want to cut up. So I do know how to lay stone straight, but we worked around Mother Nature on that one. So I'll show you what else we got here in just a second. So we're going to mulch this little island here. All of this front bed. All this bed over here. All the way around. Down to the mailbox and around. I cheated on the video, I paused it. Walk dash in, walk down and walk through. But anyway, get the idea. All the way around this edge. This bed over here, around that little peninsula. All this area. Gonna rip out these dead plants. Gonna do his side of this hedgerow. And then we're gonna stop at the corner of the house here. Of course, we're gonna rip those weeds out, put down some pre-emergent weed killer. Man, I want to show you this backyard. These things aren't even fully in bloom yet. And trust me when I tell you that the video doesn't do it justice. I think he's got 16 of these things. These azalea bushes. They're about 5.5 foot tall, and I don't know, they could be 6 to 8 feet across. Not in diameter, but you know, You were measured through. Of course, he's on the golf course, so you know, got to keep it looking tight. Let's walk around and show you what we got on this mulch job over here. I'll pause the video a second while I walk around the house. So after we do the mulch, I guess maybe here in a few weeks or whatever, it's supposed to pine straw the back because he already naturally has plenty of pine straw from these pine trees. So rather than fighting with mulch that's getting covered up by pine straw, we're just going to pine straw this. So, and then when we do that, we'll put a divider in here on the rock. But this is the rock pathway we did. Wish I had some video of this, but this was before my YouTube days. But I do have some pictures. I'll try to throw a picture in the video. But that's the divider picked out. I don't know with the sun if you guys can see this or not. I'll come from the other side. Oh, that's much better. Kind of. But you guys get the idea. I'll show you the after when we're completely done. Alright, so we're going to give you the after tour now. Just doing a little cleanup. I'll walk over there in a second. But man, this walkway on the side though, this turned out nice. He's right up to the rock job that we already did for him earlier this year, or late last year, I can't remember when it was. So I got to blow that off, but you guys get the idea. We'll pause it, we'll walk around the other side of the house. Alright, so there's the front bed, side bed, the island, the sago palm. Now, unfortunately, we turned up a little short on the mulch. People that delivered a load of dirt this morning out to the beach, and when I got to the bottom of my pile of mulch, we were the second delivery. We had a good chunk of clay in there, so I had about a half a yard or so of mulch that I couldn't use. So I guess I'll go to the big box store and pick up about, 10 or 13 bags. I'll blow that off, pick that up, get that down from around the base of the tree there. Like I said, we're pretty much done. We just got a little tidying up to do. I'm gonna pull out these dead bushes and plant some new stuff for them. Stopping at the edge of the house there. Did their side of the hedgerow. But here you can see where we ran thin. There, back in the corner, most of this bed here. So that's no big deal. Sometimes you're over, sometimes you're a little short. I mean, I measured this place twice, but I guess we went a little thicker in some areas than we were supposed to, and like I said, we had that clay in there, so that didn't help either. No biggie. I'll be back to do the regular service on this property in a couple of days, and we'll make sure it's done right. So peace out, on to the next one.